Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Driven Garage. Today I'm going to show you how to change your license plate lights or also update them to maybe LEDs if you want to, okay? So first thing you're going to need to do is, if you haven't already, take off your license plate. Go ahead and remove that. Should be 4 screws there. After that, you're going to have to grab a 8mm bolt and have to remove those, alright? So just go ahead and take that 8mm socket, put them on. Once those are removed, all you're going to have to do is go ahead and pull this out. Your license plate lights are accessible easily right there, alright? So, only other thing I suggest is go ahead and clean this up while you have it out. Make sure to clean your lenses, as they are going to be pretty dirty. Other than that, it's pretty self-explanatory. I will show you the difference, what mine look like, which is a normal light bulb currently. So you can see it's pretty dim, has that oldish look to it, and yeah, I mean, do you really want people to see your license plate better? No, but it's definitely going to look a lot cleaner, right guys? So let me go ahead and show you what the new LED light bulbs look like. And as you can see, that's what the new LED light bulbs look like, alright? So after that, just go ahead and put the old screws back in. It's pretty simple. It's nothing too hard, guys. And don't forget to throw on your license plate and you're all done. If you liked the video, feel free to share, like, and comment on the video below. Other than that, thanks guys.